I'm Sherice, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to my hair since late last year, because one thing that I noticed is that I have been losing a lot of the elasticity in my curls in some spots, and I wanted to pay close attention to that, and so that's what I've been doing. And so one of the products that I have been using consistently since the beginning of December has been the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. So I've always read a lot about Olaplex, but I've never really used it because I never had a reason to use it. And that's just me. And I've seen all of the chatter about Olaplex damage, what has happened to a lot of people's hair. I've seen the good things, I've seen the bad things, but my hair has been losing elasticity in some places or not holding on to the curl as long as it used to, and I wanted to try something that I thought would have been a good product for my hair, and I felt like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And so I've been using this since last year, and I will say that the results have been 100% amazing in my opinion. And so I just wanted to go over what I do when I use it, because it's really not that hard, but I see that so many people use it in so many different ways, and I just use it how they say to use it. So this product really is for repairing and strengthening your hair type. So if you're having an issue with your curl pattern, damage, I think this is a really great product for you. I use this once a week. Use it on damp hair, like it says. So the back says, apply on damp towel dried hair from scalp to ends until thoroughly saturated, leave in for a minimum of 10 minutes. You could leave it in as long as possible. Rinse from hair for best results, and then follow up with the Olaplex 4 shampoo and conditioner, which I have been doing. And I love the shampoo and I really love the conditioner, but I really love the system and what it's been doing to my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I've had it braided for the week. It's not tangled, so I don't think I'll have a tough time with my wash day today. It's looking really healthy. Like, look at it. So anyway, I am going to begin the process. I am going to use my finger to do like a path down the middle. I'm just gonna tie this up until I'm ready to get to this section. And so the only thing I'm gonna do is just really wet this. So you don't want your hair to be soaking wet, but you want it to be wet enough, like damp, as the instructions, the directions demanded. So it takes a lot to wet my hair, to be honest with you. And so I'm gonna see what we're working with. So it's still not wet enough. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna just take this down some more so it doesn't take so long to get wet. I think that should be enough to get me going. I have been using this for a little over a month, and I am honestly very, I wouldn't say surprised because I read a lot of good things about it, but my hair has really been thriving. My wash days have been lasting a little bit longer, and overall I'm just 100% happy with this product. Now it's very expensive. It is really expensive. The system of Olaplex is very expensive. I think the small bottle is like, I want to say $30+. I can't really recall. I just pick it up and close my eyes when it's time to check out because I would not buy it. But you know, it's an investment in the hair in my hair's health, and so I try to look past and beyond the cost of it. I know that there are a lot of bond building products out there, but I've just read a lot about this one, and I think this one is a better fit for my hair. And as I say, like, dare I say, the curls are still popping, and I haven't washed my hair in about 3 weeks. The section is damp enough for me to go in with the product. It's not dripping wet, it's just wet enough. So let's see. Okay, so this bottle I think has lasted me about, this is what is a 8.5 fluid ounce bottle, and this has lasted me for maybe about, I want to say 5 or 6 wash days. And I got this on sale in November when they were doing Black Friday or the Thanksgiving sale. So this is actually a bigger product than usual. This is the limited edition bonus size. It's a really big bottle for Olaplex standards, and it was on sale, so I think it was a really good buy. So it does have a smell to it. It's not overbearing. I can't place the smell right now, but it smells, I want to say like dishwash soap or like soap, but just look at my hair. My hair reacts so good to this product, and I always get good results. So I go in with smaller sections to just ensure that all of the product is properly coating where it needs to coat. It is a pleasure to brush my hair with this stuff in it. It feels so good and looks good. So I simply just move on to the other sections. I am going to twist this up and then move on to my other 3 sections. So I am all done applying the number 3 Perfector. And so what I'm going to do is leave it on. It says for 10 minutes, but I typically try to leave it on for about 20 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes, hop in the shower and wash and condition my hair. I'm going to be using the Olaplex Bonding Shampoo and Conditioner, which it says that you should use. And I find that I get best results when I use the entire Olaplex line. So that's what I'm going to do. So after I get out of the shower, I'm going to show you the results of what my hair looks like after using the Perfector. I usually think that it looks a lot more curlier, healthy and shinier than it used to look before using it. But you guys can let me know what you think. But I love, 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 love these products. They are, you know, it's a sacrifice to buy them, but I prefer to, you know, take care of my hair now before it's a bigger problem later. And yeah, so I am going to give it 20 minutes and then head to the shampoo bowl. Well, not the shampoo bowl, but the shower. As promised, I am going to be showing you guys what my hair looks like after the Olaplex number 3 Perfector treatment. I did not deep condition because I didn't want to use a different product out of the line, because I wanted to show you guys exactly how my hair looks only using the Olaplex products. I have realized that my hair looks bouncy. Well, it is bouncier. It looks a little better than it usually does when I get out of the shower. It's softer and a little shinier. So that is why I feel like this product was made for me. So I'll get a little closer. I'm gonna take this one out. So it does a lot for my curl recovery, in my opinion. There are some areas that I think are still not as, I guess, defined as I'd like it to be. But I've only been using the product for a month. And so yeah, this is what my hair looks like straight out of the shower. Like, the texture is a little different. It feels super soft, smells really good, looks really good. And so overall, I am absolutely happy with my decision to buy these products, even though they were super expensive. And yeah, I think they do a lot for my hair. So I will continue to use them for as long as possible and see over time the progression of my hair. But so far I am 100% happy with the products.